Hey guys, Rachel here, and we are back with another fifth wheel, a Rockwood. It's a bunkhouse, so I absolutely love it. This is probably, I think, our third Rockwood fifth wheel that we've just gotten in, so they're all 2025. Absolutely beautiful. And this one actually, even though, let me see, it is 32 foot long, it has a lot of space. You're not bumping into each other. It's really, really nice, and the price is amazing. So if you're looking for a Rockwood, great quality, fiberglass, bunkhouse, this might be the one for you. So we're gonna go from the outside in, but you guys let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, this is the Rockwood Signature. It is a 2025 model 374DBH. Let's see, we've got a slide on this side. We've got two awnings on this side. Love it. Absolutely beautiful. I love Rockwood. All right, let's see what we've got inside. So I don't know if you can tell through the video, but there is a lot of space here. So we have our corner kitchen over here with a 3-burner, big oven, nice big microwave, and plenty of storage up above and below. Plus you do have that option of bringing that table right up, and then you do have a nice big sink. Beautiful windows right along the back as well. And then you got your entertainment and fireplace. I love the look of this, plus more counter space. A nice big TV right here, which then you have across. You've got your dinette, your U-shaped dinette that can go into a bed or a couch. So I would definitely put it as a couch. I love that idea. Throw some pillows and a blanket on there and cuddle up. Plus you do have the theater seating right here as well. You've got some more storage and a nice big fridge on this side. There you go. Plenty of space in both the fridge and freezer. Plus, I believe, yeah, this is one of those open on both sides type of fridges. You got your trash can. I love when they have the trash can, like a space specifically for a trash can. I love that. I want to just show you. Opens on both sides. I love that. And then you do have a lot more storage right above your theater seating as well. You've got a fan in here, and it actually is super cool in here right now. So you know that it's very well built. Through here we've got our bunkhouse. So you've got a nice bed here, bed there, bed there. Plenty of storage, some drawers, but you also have your washer and dryer prep right here. If you need it, it is there. So that option is so nice to have. Plus more storage right underneath. And then you got your entertainment right there for those kiddos that would like to watch a movie at night or whatever the case may be. You've also got the AC, one of the AC units in here that is completely ducted, which is great. And then one in here as well. But let's go up this hall. And I think, yes, so this has 3 ACs. That's awesome. 3 ACs in Texas is going to work wonders. All right, so we got a nice size shower here. Nice and big, plenty of space. You've got storage here as well. Storage behind the mirror, and you've got storage underneath the sink as well. So plenty of space in here. Then we got our master bedroom. You've got some area to hang up some stuff and some storage here. Plenty of room to walk around as well. Some drawers right there. Little side tables on each side and storage right above. Plus, again, like I said, you can walk around easily. You do have your entertainment right there already hooked up and ready to go. Windows on both sides. I love this unit. Beautiful. But You guys let me know what you think. What do you think of this RV? You know, it is a shorter bunkhouse, but again, plenty of space. It's got so much room in the living room, kitchen area. I absolutely love it. Love the fireplace. I love a lot of stuff about this RV that, you know, Rockwood just brings. Very classy, easy. I mean, just easy living, and it feels homey. So you guys let me know. My information is below, but until next time.